Financial charges more, costing charges less. Less charge, more profit, more charge, less profit. When you receive the dividend, what will happen? Financial book will be raised, but no entry in the cost book. So cost book should also be raised by. More charge, less profit. Here, less profit to cost book, add back. Here, more charge by administration expense also, so add back. Direct labor, direct expense is the prime cost. Add factory expense is the factory cost. Add office and administration is the cost of production. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram, First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Advanced Cost and Management Account, 5th semester BCom. So this goes in favor of reconciliation statement. What is actually reconciliation statement? The profit as per the cost book, the profit as per the financial book should be one and the same. If there is any difference between the two, a statement is done. That statement we called as reconciliation statement. So we'll move on to the problem now. Here, they asked to prepare a cost sheet, then reconciliation. So what is a cost sheet? Direct material, direct labor, direct expense is the prime cost. Add factory expense is the factory cost. Add office and administration is the cost of production. Add selling expenses is the total cost plus profit is equal to selling price. This is a very common cost sheet. What is it is? Direct material, direct labor, direct expense is the prime cost. Add factory expense the factory cost. Add office and administration expense is the cost of production. Add selling expense is the total cost. If you add the profit, that is the selling price. We'll move on here with the cost sheet. So we start. Direct material, direct material 7 lakh. Direct wages 3,50,000. If I add now, it is 10,50,000. What is this? This is the prime cost. Add factory expenses. What the problem says? Factory expenses, 50% of wages. 50% of wages. What's the wages? 3,50,000. 50% means 1,75,000. Add $12,25,000 is the factory cost. Add administration expenses. What does the problem says? 12% of prime cost. What's your prime cost here? 10,50,000. 10,50 followed by 30. 10,50 into 12 divided by 100. 1,26,000. Add the figure. $13,51,000. What is 13,51,000? Here 10,50,000 plus 1,75,000. Add 5. 5 plus 2. 12,25,000. 6 plus 5. 5. 3. 13,51,000. Cost of production. What's the amount? 13,51,000 plus selling expenses. What the problem says? Selling expenses have to be 6 per unit sold. So 30,000 into 6. 1,80,000. 15,31,000 is the total cost. Minus selling price. What's your selling price? See that? 15 lakh. Difference is 31,000. Is a net loss. Now, where the difference is, we have to calculate now. We will go with the factory expenses. Factory expenses. We'll go with the factory expense. When you write FB, financial book. When you write CB, cost book. We'll go here. What's your financial book says? Works over it, 2,07,500. FB, 2,07,500. Cost book, 1,75,000. So there is a difference of 32,500. Who charges more? Financial charges more, costing charges less. Less charge, more profit. More charge, less profit. Whose profit is less? Financial. Whose profit is more? Costing. Come to level, what to do? Deduct. Minus 1. Then office expenses. See, your administration expense 1,26,000. Your CB financial is 1 lakh. CB cost book 1,26,000. FB 1 lakh. Difference of 26,000. Who charges more? Costing charges more, financial charges less. So costing profit is less, financial profit is more. Which is the base? Cost book. To make that level, add 26,000. This is minus. This is plus. So this is administration is over. Regarding the selling expenses, selling expenses. Here selling expenses CB 1,80,000. FB financial 1,12,500. $67,500. Who charges less? Financial charges less, costing charges more. More charge, less profit. Less charge, more profit. Whose profit is more? Financial. Whose profit is less? Here the financial profit is more, costing profit is less. To make that level, add back 67,500. Then dividend FB 60,000. Gain CB nil. So it is 60,000. So when you receive the dividend, what will happen? Financial book will be raised, but no entry in the cost book. So cost book should also be raised by 60,000 plus. Then bank charges. Here, how much are bank charges? 1,000. Then preliminary expenses. Preliminary expenses 4,000. Totally 5,000. FB CB nil. It is 5,000. Who charges? Financial book charges. What will happen? Their profit will reduce. Our profit will be more. Come to level minus. You have to put in the format now. Reconciliation statement. Net loss as per cost book. Net loss as per cost book minus 31,000. Add. Which should be added here? See that? Minus. This is office expenses, selling expenses, dividend. Which should be added now? One is office expenses. What's your office expenses? 26,000. That should be added. This is one. Number two, this over. What is next one? Selling expenses. Number two, selling expenses, 67,500. This over. This is over. This is minus. This over. Then dividend. $60,000. Any more income? See that. Administration over, selling over, works overhead. This is deductible. This is deductible. Works expense over, office expense over, selling expense over, dividend. Add the figure. 005. 1,53,500. 1,53,500 minus 1,22,500. Then less. Come back to less. No. Your less is factory expenses. Factory expenses. How much is factory expenses? 32,500. Then bank charges. Bank charges 1,000. Preliminary expenses 4,000. Add the figure. This is 32,500 plus 37,500. Deduct. What's your figure? 1,22,500 minus 37,500. 85,000. See that how much profit as per the financial? How much is there? 85,000 is there. So we arrived 85,000 here. See that. Net profit as per financial book. This is as per financial book. We arrive the figure as per financial book. We started with a net loss, arrive the figure of net profit of 85,000. So we got it. This is the 85,000 we got. Hope first roughly you have to work out. So we'll move on to next problem. So next problem is same say. So we'll start with this slowly. You have to prepare the cost sheet, then you have to do. So direct material. First you have to prepare the cost sheet. Direct material 35,000 plus direct wages 17,500. Add. This is 500. 52,500. That is the prime cost. So 500, 7 plus 5, this is 52,500 is the prime cost. plus factory expenses. What's your factory expenses? See that? Works overhead as factory expense, 70% of wages. What's your wages here? 17,500 into 70 divided by 100. So 12,250. 12,250. 64,750. What is this? Factory cost. Plus administration expenses. What's your administration expenses? They say 10% of prime cost. What's your prime cost? 52,500 into 10 divided by 100. 5,250. Add 70,000. What is this is called? RP's cost or cost of production. Cost of production. $70,000. What is next one? Selling expense at 3 rupees per unit. Selling expenses. How many units are there? See that? You got only 3,000 units. Selling expenses. 3,000 into 3. 9,000. 79,000. Total cost. What's your selling price? 75,000 minus selling price 75,000. There is a difference of 4,000. Net loss. Here also we got the second session also we got the net loss. How it is? Direct material, direct labor. We can go with direct material 35,000. Direct wages is 17,500. It will come 52,500. Then add, this is the prime cost. Then add factory expenses. So 70% of wages is 12,250. Add administration expense, 10% of the prime cost become the 70,000. Add selling expenses at 3 rupees per unit. It comes to 9,000. 79. It will be sold for 75 at a loss of 4,000. Now, which are the differences we have to find out? First, factory expenses. Factory expenses. Your factory expense is 12,250 here. Here factory expenses is 10,375. So this is CB 12,250. Then your FB 10,375. 12,250 minus 10,375. 1,875. 1,875. Who charges more? Costing charges more, their profit will be less. FP charges less, their profit is more. Whose profit is less? Costing profit is less, financial profit is more. What to do? Add back. I will repeat. Cost book is 12,250 financial year. So financial profit is low, financial profit is more, costing profit is less. The control level, add back. Then administration expenses. Your admin 5,250 here, administration 5,000. CB 5,250. This is then FB 5,000. There is a difference of 250. So who charges more? Costing charges more. Costing profit is less, financial profit is more. What to do? Add back. Here also, cost book shows 12,250, financial book 10,003, 1875. Who charges more? More charge, less profit. Here, less profit cost, add back. Here, more charge by administration expense also, so add back. Then, factory administration. Then come back to selling expenses. Selling expenses. If you go here now, 5,625. CB, selling expense, 5,000. Selling expenses is 9,000. Selling expenses. CB, 9,000. Then FB, selling expense, 5,625. This is 5,733. 3,003. Who charges more? Costing charges more, financial charges less. So their profit is reduced, cost by financial profit is more. To run, add back. Dividend is a income to the. So both should be added here. Both should be added. Here, no. Preliminary expenses should be charged and these two will be deducted. So we'll go with now net loss as per cost book. What's your net loss? 4,000. We'll go one by one. Factory expense. Cost book charges how much? 12,250 FB. Low charge, more profit. High charge, less profit. To make this, add back 1,875. Add factory expenses. 1,875. One is over. Regarding administration also, cost book charges more profit, less profit, low charge, more profit to the extent of how much? 250. Add back administration expenses. 250. This over. Regarding the selling expenses, cost book charges, these say, so they charge more here. More charge, less profit, less charge, more profit to the extent of 3,375. Selling expenses. 3,375. Then, here, you got a dividend. How much dividend is there? 500. Closing stock. Your closing stock is 2,500. No closing stock here. More closing stock, that is a more profit is there, no? Here, dividend. You got a dividend, no? When the closing stock is small, the profit will be more here, no? Here, no. When the dividend will be received, when the dividend financial profit is more, costing profit is less. So make this then. When the closing stock is charged, the profit will be increased in the financial book, so will also increase. Add the figure 1875 plus 250 plus 3,375 plus 500 plus 2,500. It is 1875 plus 250 plus 3,375 plus 500 plus 2,500. Then less Which are the less are here bank charges, preliminary expenses. So it comes to 8,500. So difference is 4,000 gone means 8,500 plus minus 4,000 gone. Difference is 4,500. Right here. Less, which are the two items are less preliminary expenses 200, bank charges 50, 250. Deduct 4,250. Profit as per financial book. See that how much you got in the financial book. So we have arrived. We arrived 4,250 here. So these are the, when you put this now, the profit has been right, so that here the profit showing more, where the costing profit is less, to come down, add back. Then here, this when they charge now, the profit will reduce, these two minus. This should be plus. Regarding the administration overhead, we have calculated. Hope we have solved the problem, two problem, taking the cost sheet and reconciliation, taking the cost sheet and reconciliation. You have to prepare the cost sheet, then wherever the expenditure comes now, you have to make the work now. Only difference will come on the work set day, administration, preliminary expenses, selling expenses. This is same. This is same. Hope you understand this. We have solved the two sessions now. Two problems have been solved here. Prepare the cost sheet and reconciliation. Prepare the cost sheet and reconciliation. We have done the two sessions with the same line, preparing the cost sheet and reconciliation. Preparing the cost sheet and reconciliation. Hope so you understand. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.